In this tutorial, I'll show you how to transfer money from Cash App to your bank account fast. First thing first, launch the Cash App app on your mobile device, then sign in to your account. On the home screen, tap the Money tab. It shows your Cash App balance. Just tap Withdraw to start moving your money. Now type the amount you want to transfer and confirm by tapping Withdraw again. You have Instant Transfer, which sends money instantly to your linked debit card, comes with a fee of 0.5% to 1.75% of the total amount. The minimum is $0.25. And the standard transfer is free of charge but may take 1 to 3 business days. Money is deposited directly to your linked bank account. Now just review your details and tap done to finish. Just note that instant transfers go to your debit card while standard transfers go straight to your bank account. In practice, both let you access your money. The main difference is speed and fees.